I can't tell if I look like 5 years old with this headband or if I look like a professional who just likes to keep the hair back. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. But anyways, I just recently, for Christmas birthday, my Christmas birthday present is the MacBook Air 2019 in gold. So I know it's November, I know I'm getting early, but it's because I need it for university and just general life. So yeah, I'm really excited. I decided to do an unboxing because I know my iPhone XR unboxing did quite well, and people enjoyed that one, so I thought, why not? Like, I know I'm not a tech guru or anything at all, but I was like, this is really exciting. I've always wanted a MacBook because, I don't know, just shiny, Apple just gets me every time. I know they're so overpriced and everything, but I don't know, there's something about it. I've got the box here. My dad's been having it, got it on Thursday, so I had to wait till Saturday. I know. Yeah, because this was the only time he could give it to me, so I'm excited. Let's not drop the box like we did with the iPhone. I don't actually know how I'm going to do this. So, oh, I've got my scissors. I don't want to cut anything that I shouldn't cut. Oh, do you know what? There's actually a cheeky little thing. Oh my god, that is so much easier. Oh, that is lovely. Oh my god, guys, can we have a little moment here? Oh look, oh my god, there's even some more lovely oh, what? Oh, that was a bit less satisfying than I thought. Go. Do you know, okay, so basically story, we went into Curry's, we looked at the 2017 one and the 2019 one, and I prefer the 2019 one, not only because it's newer, but I thought me and my dad both like the gold colour, which is this one, and I thought it's different, and if I'm getting a MacBook, might as well go for, I don't know, a nice colour. Oh my god, I don't want to drop it. It's really hard to show you. Oh. Around me are familiar faces, worn out. Let me put it on. Okay, here we go. Oh, here it is. I got the 13-inch one and 128 gigabytes because that was the cheapest option. Okay. Oh my god, I'm scared to touch it. Okay, here we go. So this is the laptop. I don't know what else to say about it. I've just always wanted a MacBook basically because like a lot of my friends have them and you know, to sync well with my phone, like all that. I don't know. I don't have any reasons properly. I'll show you the box as well. What's inside the box because this is an unboxing. So I've got a charger here. Lovely little charger. I've got a mains, like little plug and all that Gucci stuff. We've got this as well. I'm guessing you charge it as well. I'm not very good with this like technological stuff.
I know, Karen. I know. I can tell.
Can you open this as well, or is that it? I have no idea. I'm just not gonna mess with that. This is a good bit as well. Oh. 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 That is lovely. Okay, so here it is in all its glory. I don't know if you can see the colour properly, but it's a lovely rose gold. It's supposed to be gold, but I think it's rose gold, really. So you open it up. There's a little... Oh. Oh my god, it's turning on. Oh my god. I really need to get a like screen projector and all that stuff because it's basically like a phone, isn't it? I want to get like a case and everything. But to me, even though this isn't hair, to me it kind of looks like a Pro because it's got the black borders instead of like, you know, in the 2017 one it's got the silver thing. But okay, I don't know if you can see this. Should I do it? Okay. Oh my god, it's like talking to me. I'm gonna put it down on my desk. Whew. Okay, so here's got the nice keyboard. We've got a nice massive trackpad, 13-inch screen. It's telling me to pick which one I'm doing. I'm going to go English.
To use Australian English as
No,
the
not
main
Australian.
language, press the return key.
Okay.
To use British English as the
British
main
English,
language,
there we go.
press the return key.
Return key. I don't even know what the return key is. I'm such a noob. Okay. Okay, now it's telling me to pick. So where am I? I'm in England. Oh, you can't click on the map. I thought you could click on the map. Awkward. Where am I? I'm in the United Kingdom. Continue. Select your keyboard. Continue. Select your Wi-Fi. EduRhyme. Username. I'm going to skip this. Okay, it's asking me to transfer from my Mac, but I'm not going to, or from my Windows PC. I'm not going to do that right now. It's a very lovely trackpad and it's really nice to type. Terms and conditions. Okay, agree. Agree, yes I have. And create a computer account, okay. What I also noticed is that there's the little touch ID as well, so you can log in with your, but we haven't got to that yet. So we've got Siri. I'm going to enable Siri because that's fun, right? Okay. How do you do this? Hey Siri. Okay, I'm going to continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Lovely. Touch ID. Oh, this is the fun bit. Okay. Use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start replacing finger on Touch ID. Okay. Place my finger. Okay. Like the iPhone, going back to like my iPhone 6S. Okay, choose my lock, light or dark. I think I'm going to go light. True tone display. See without. See. Oh, I'll do true tone, yeah. Setting up my Mac. Ooh, this is exciting. Just me flexing. No, I'm joking. Okay. Oh yeah, oh my god, I can comment on the so this is the Air and it's supposed to be quite light. It's quite light for what it is, but it's not as light as I thought it would be, if you get me. I don't know if that sounds weird or anything, but also yeah, they had the 15-inch, but I thought for portability, like going to uni as well, like I don't want to be like carrying around a massive thing, and the 13-inch for me is like good enough. That's what she said. Oh.
That's what she said.
Oh my god, please end me. Okay. Oh yeah, another thing as well is the battery life. Mine old one, it's a Lenovo, I don't know how you pronounce it. I have to keep it connected to the charger because the battery does not last at all, so you can't take it anywhere. It's really chunky. I just feel like this is a really good laptop for uni. Like I'll be in uni for like the next 3 years, and I don't know, it's just, I think it's just gonna be really useful. And like thank you to my dad, like literally so much. I'm so grateful. Disclaimer, I'm extremely grateful, not trying to brag at all. I just thought it's people like the technology videos, I like watching the technology videos. I don't know, and I just thought because the phone one did well, I thought, I don't know what I'm talking about. Literally airdropping my videos from my phone to my laptop, so easy, literally. Okay, bring you to like selfie mode. Oh, it's like opening up. So basically, I do not know how to use this at all, but my roommate Steph has a MacBook as well, so I'm gonna get her to like show me how to use it all and everything. But this was a really short unboxing actually. I don't know what else to say, but Okay, it's me from the future. It's April the 16th or something. So this was filmed in November, but yes, I wanted to show you my case and everything because that's really important. Yes. So I'm editing right now, but this is the keyboard cover that I got from Amazon. It's really nice, really pretty. And then we've got this case. It's like cactus case or normal foundation on my hand. But I think it's really pretty. And then it comes the bottom, oh my feet, oh god, with just a clear case. So, oh, and I've got a matte screen protector, so it's not glossy or anything. I'm just editing the video now. I'll bring you back. So this is my laptop. Oh. But basically, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really short, and I don't know what else to say about it really. It's just unboxing it, but I'll leave my social media down below, and also any video ideas that you want me to do. Right now at the moment, because a couple of my uni deadlines are coming up, so it's gonna get a bit hectic as well with my job and everything, and just having a normal social life. But I'll try my best. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. See you later. Bye. Why did I say see you later? Just bye.